Football View, the beautiful game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Football View. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today we're talking about Kotoko game against Dreams FC. Dreams FC is the team that have qualified for the CAF Confederation Cup group stages, and Kotoko should not underrate them. As Dreams FC have lost their last two games and they'll be looking to get the points against Kotoko, considering the fact that Kotoko have not been extremely good at their home games this season. I think Dreams FC getting a point at the Barbara Stadium won't be a surprise to everyone because we know how Kotoko have been playing this season at home. So Kotoko shouldn't underrate Dreams FC in this particular game. They are in Africa group stages, CAF Confederation group stages for a reason, because they played very well and made sure they got the job done. So Prosperity and Kotoko players should expect Dreams FC to come in with full force and expecting to get a win, possibly maybe a draw. So that's my prediction. It's going to be a very, very tough game. Now, Kotoko have been struggling at home. Everyone knows that. I think the main problem is the fact that Prosperity doesn't trust the old players to actually perform very well. Prosperity likes working with young players because they're easy to understand and they understand the coach and do exactly what the coach wants. An old player would want to add his own style, his own flair, mix it up with what the coach is telling him because he has a little bit of experience, and that sometimes could make some coach feel that this player is not doing exactly what I say. I think that's the reason why Prosperity is sticking with the new boys, the ones that are having the Ghana Premier League experience for the first time, because they do exactly what he says. Now, it's not yielding results. We can see it's not yielding results. It's not going well as we thought. Why not revert back to the experienced players and let them play? If they play their style 2-3 games and you don't feel that it's working, if it's not working, then do whatever you want. But right now, he should revert back to the player, because we have Justice Play, Baba Yahaya, Eric Zeze. These are the players that won the hearts of the fans last season. Why are they not starting? Why are they not starting against teams that Kotoko should be winning at home? Baba Yahaya entered the game one time and changed the entire shape of the game. In fact, he changed the results. He even scored a goal. Then he played the next next two games, he didn't perform well and he was dropped back to the bench. It was shocking to see, because everyone expecting a player with the talents like Baba Yahaya, everyone expecting Baba Yahaya to start almost every game, considering the fact that he was one of the star players, if not the star player at King Faisal. He has shown his quality in the few games he's played, and he doesn't play well in the next two games doesn't mean that you should bench him and put in the young boys who are inexperienced in the Ghana Premier League. So I think Prosperity should really look into that, because he's facing experienced players, and that is why they can confidently go against Kotoko and beat Kotoko or get a point from Kotoko, because they are not scared anymore. They know that these players are young players. We just have to play very well, intimidate them, and get the results. So if he starts playing the experienced players, definitely Kotoko will start winning games. So that's what I think, and that's what I'm expecting Prosperity to do against Dreams FC. Now, talking about the game itself, it's going to be an interesting game. Dreams FC is a team that when they play away from home, they defend very well and they hit with counter and they make good use of set pieces. So Kotoko should be aware of that. Dreams FC will take their set pieces very, very serious, and if they do that, Kotoko might be caught lacking and they'll score one goal and defend, and probably get 1-1 or 1-0 win for them. Henry and Sue got a red card in the last game against Nsatreman, and Prosperity said it's not a case of indiscipline in his squad, that his players were trying to complain, and the referee got angry and handed the red card to Henry and Sue. So I think Kotoko should control themselves. When calls don't go their way, they should control themselves in order not to make it worse for themselves. So whatever happens at the Barbara Stadium, they should control themselves and try to use every situation to their own advantage. That is how you enjoy the game. That is how you play games, and that's how you eventually win games. So I'm expecting the game to be tough, but I'm expecting Kotoko to beat Dreams FC in this game. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about that game? What do you think will happen? Which player do you think will make a difference? Which player do you think Prosperity should start? I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think and tell me what to expect in Dreams FC, Asante Kotoko versus Dreams FC at the Barbara Stadium this weekend. Subscribe if you haven't. Click that notification bell. I'll be posting more content all week. In fact, every week I'll be posting a Ghana Premier League content on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe right now and join the community. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.